What's up, guys? I promised you guys today I will make a trade recap. I just tried to record a video. Loads of YouTubers get this when like they have to restart. My MacBook switched off because it sounded like an aircraft about to take off, and it just fucking went bam, went black. And yeah, I lost my footage. I was basically waffling, to be fair. I know what I need to say now. So basically, I took this trade off of one principle. Now, it's experience in the market, because you can't just be like, oh, I'm just gonna like I learn a strategy and I'm gonna be profitable. Like I could give you a strategy which will work for you, and you can use it in the future. Like in the future, you'll be profitable with it, but at the start, you're not because you're shit. So basically, so just take it with a pinch of salt. But when there's a massive rip down in any like market, like forex, crypto, this was a crypto trade, or like any like commodities or anything like gold, silver, the Nasdaq, S&P. When there's a massive rip down, there's an imbalance on the higher time frames. Like you can see on the 4 hour. See this? This is a massive imbalance from this wick to this body, massive imbalance, and with crypto especially as well, or even any market, like I said, there's a massive rip down, there's always a massive rip up. And I took this trade when I was getting my hair dyed in the salons, and I felt like a baller. I was like, yeah, motherfucker. Now I used like when I joined college, I stopped being profitable. And I lost quite a bit of trades, like a lot of trades. I had good risk management, and I still lost a lot of money compared like for my account size, which is quite shit. So I de-risked it and I got out here. That's not because of the case. The case was like because it's crypto, it tends to act on patterns. So therefore, I was like, shit, it's a bear flag, which is bullshit. Like it was gonna go up. I know it was, and it's a lesson learned to just keep it going, like with market structure in mind, and daily bias, and keep managing the trade and whether to take profit and to enter in at a better price. So here I could have took profit if I was being a bitch, and I could wait. Realistically, I probably wouldn't have waited here, but like let's say I got hit in a little bit here, so I sold up here, got in here, and used the profits on top of my original margin to get in up here. So anyway, I forgot to say it in this video. I'm not going to teach you guys how to trade in this video. This is purely just a trade recap. So the people who know how to trade will get this. I'm having to do this video in chunks because my MacBook sounds like it's about to take off as well. Also, today's been a rough day. Like I came back from boxing and I felt ill as shit. And I tried to do like the back day. I had to do a back day after boxing, and I was so weak, and also a bit rough on the Shopify sales. Fuck me. Zero sales. I haven't got that in about a month, but here we are. So this was a trade. It's not my first trade back, but yeah. So this was I got 30 quid profit here because I got out at this line in. Now I could have got out. To be fair, if I wasn't a bitch, I was managing and taking profit, and I saw this dip in, and I saw the market structure still bullish. I could ride this with profits on top of the margin, as I just said, and it would have hit TP. But yeah, I got money out here, and I got myself out of the trade completely. It's 30 quid, 38 quid profit or something like around that line. Pretty shit, but it was a winning trade. To sum it up, I took a trade because it was a massive rip down, as you can see here. Like I think I was on a 1 minute time frame, and I saw a little break of structure, and I was like, it's going up. I'm being a bit risky. Stop losses under this here because because things crypto sometimes it might just fucking plummet. So I don't want to lose like my margin up here. Another trade. This is the foreign exchange market. Now I didn't take this trade because it was today, and I was waiting for a break of structure. I went for a shower and I forgot about the trade because I'm an absolute fucking idiot, and I had this problem before, and I was going to get in here and I was going to wait for a retrace, and it actually just ripped, so I didn't get in. And but like I could have had a TP like here, and then I could look to get a good entry down in here, lots of profits. But I need to learn from this lesson. I need to not like be a little bit of a bitch about it. At least my bias is right. I'm getting trades right now because I had an unprofitable phase. For those of you traders who are like were profitable and now you're not profitable, I feel you. It's just one of these things you need to get over and stop switching strategies, which is the biggest thing in trading. Like if you want to be a good trader, if you keep swapping strategies, you're going to lose. it takes a lot of market experience. Like all summer, literally all summer, I didn't do dropshipping. I just done trading, and I don't know, like probably about in total about 5 hours of dropshipping in the summer, really. So like the rest, literally like at least like some days I spent like it was the odd day I'd done about 12 or 15 hours of like literally back testing, testing strategies, switching strategies, literally losing paper trades. Like I would literally, if I don't know where my notebook is, but I had a notebook like here, and I would write down like, okay, I started off with £100 or £1,000. Let's try and grow it, and I'd write down all the paper trades I would make on replay mode, and sometimes I'd win and win. Sometimes I think for like 8 to 10 hours in a row, I just lost. So it does take time to be profitable, and you need to just like, to be fair, like when you take, if you take a break from the market, so like once you have this session of just complete learning, if you just take like a month off, because like you always want to be a trade, because like if you, and the thing is with trading, don't have it as your main source of income. Like with dropshipping, I was busy and I was lazy and I just forgot really about trading, so I didn't get to trade. So now I just like, I come back in the market, I'm like, I don't care, I shouldn't care. I literally didn't trade for a month, so why should I be like all into trade now? Like I shouldn't. I don't care. Like I'm just like, oh wait, you know what I mean? Like let's take a good setup, and not just that as well, but actually genuinely not really give a shit about the trade and like the emotions. Like I know the bias. Like I used to do this when I was profitable. I know the bias is this. I know, I believe market structure is going to go up as well, even if it's against bias, and I'm just going to put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to have a good stop loss. That's a good thing as well. Do not have a wide stop loss. Just have a stop loss within reason, but if it's going to be too wide, just put it within reason again. If you get stopped out, if you genuinely believe you can probably re-enter after you just lost the money at a better entry, and don't chase price up here. Like if it's like, if you genuinely believe it's going to go up, you can chase it a little bit, but wait for a retracement. Don't see, I could have been an idiot and I could have just got in here like, oh fuck it, YOLO, like I used to be, and like look at that, now you'd be basically break even, and you'd be waiting, squeezing for some profits, and what if it goes back down and you might be stopped out because you put your stop loss like here. You see, like you just don't chase price, unless it's necessary, which is kind of hard pill to swallow. But yeah, now I need to edit this video. It's fucking long as fuck. I need to do other work as well. It's gonna be a late night tonight. Fuck's sake. But yeah, see you guys in the next trade recap. The next one will be better. I just need to. I said I was gonna make a trade recap. I think tomorrow I'll make a video about like a bit about basics, teaching some of you guys who don't really know trading just a bit of fundamental shit. So yeah. Now, I'm not fully profitable yet. I haven't been like profitable for years. So, you know, take it with a pinch of salt, but it's still better than you. So, yeah, right, anyway, see ya.